Ostrich burgers with Brie cheese and cranberry jam. Let's go! To make my ostrich burgers was pretty simple. First, I added my mince to a bowl, and then I cracked 1 egg into the mince to bind it, then some Kellogg's breadcrumbs. After that, I wanted some seasoning, so I added some Maladin salt, followed by some black pepper, and then after that I added some oregano from Greece, which all Greeks have at home. I mixed it up and then my patties were ready to roll. For the onions, I wanted to do something really special. Finally chopped some shallots up, and then after that I was going to fry it in some butter and then flambe it in some special whiskey. I don't drink whiskey, but I heard Glenfiddich is really delicious, so that's the whiskey of choice for today. Hoppa! It was time to get my patties ready. I didn't want them thin, we're not making smash burgers, so I got some nice thick patties ready, and they were ready to go onto the hot skillet. Just to cut my Brie cheese, I wanted to cut it into thick but thin slices at the same time. It was really sticky, but I cut it, got it ready, and now all the preparation is done. We can go get the grill on. Once my patties were nearly ready, it was time to make a delicious sauce. We're keeping it simple, a little bit of mayonnaise, some Korean gochujang sauce and Dijon mustard. Then I mixed it up and my sauce was ready to go. Now you know with any burgers, gotta toast those buns, get them nice and crispy, and it was time to build my burgers. I started off with adding my sauce to the bottom, then I added my patties, and then it was time to put my Brie cheese on, which was melting really nicely onto the patties, and then I added some onions, and after that the cranberry jelly, and my burger was ready. Friends, this ostrich burger smells amazing. I took the shallots and I flambéed them with some whiskey, some Glenfiddich 12-year-old. I've got Brie cheese, cranberry jam. Cheers, everybody. Keep on cooking, beautiful people.